Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Coding is a system of signals. This is a method of transmitting information in the form of codes or signals without it being known by a third person. The person who transmits the code or signal is called the sender and the person who receives it is called the receiver. Transmitted codes or signals are decoded on the other side by the receiver. This is known as decoding. So, today we are going to solve few puzzles on coding and decoding. Let's move on to understand more about coding decoding. One of the most important sections in any aptitude test is the coding decoding section. We will see all the different types of aptitude test questions from the sections in part by part. In part 1, we will try to understand how the questions will be framed for coding and decoding and how we need to crack them. So, here some particular objects are assigned code names. Then the question will be asked and we need to answer in the code language. Example, if green means red, red means yellow, yellow means blue, blue means orange and orange means green. What is the color of the clear sky? Let's understand how to solve them. I picked the same example to solve. So what is required for us? All the colors are given. We need to identify the color of clear sky. So the color of clear sky is blue. But as per the puzzle, yellow means blue. So the answer is yellow. Now let's solve another question. If moon is called star, star is called earth, earth is called sun, then man lives on. So where do man live? Man lives on earth. But for us, earth is sun. So there are two different topics here. One question will be asked like is called and in another place it is means. So clearly understand the difference before solving the puzzles. Man lives on earth and earth is called sun. So the answer is sun. Now let's take another example. So you have some images like circle, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. So you need to identify one of the faces of a ball. So every one of us know that ball is circular. So what is circle called as? It is called as square here. So the answer is B. Next one. If eye means hands, hands means nose, nose means ears, ears means fingers, then which organ is used to hear? So which is the organ which is used to hear? It is ears. But what means ears here? Nose means ears. So we hear with our ears and nose means ears. So the answer is A. We will pick next question. If May is called June, June is called February, February is called July, then which month has less than 30 days? So in this question, the month which has less than 30 days is February. But February is called July. So the right option is C. So you will be having similar kind of questions in logical reasoning for alphanumeric, numeral and even symbols. This is just an example which we have covered. I'll come back shortly with different parts in logical reasoning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos.